Greetings everyone. In our lecture series, our next topic is transfer of information. Let's recall converting verbal to visual information or transferring information from visual to verbal. Okay, why we are doing this? Because it enhances clarity, understanding and communication. Okay, so today we're gonna discuss the topics like includes transfer of information. Okay, empathize, your defined part, ideate and real world applications. Okay, look at this. In this empathize part, what we have to do, we have to analyze difficulties in interpreting data. Because for example, your data will be given in pie chart or bar chart. Okay, and you have some difficulties to recognize your details, your emotions, expectations and context. Okay, because you're really struggling to interpreting all the data. Okay, so this is what in this TT empathize tells you. And here what you have to do for defining, okay, why is information being transferred? You have to analyze this, and how to identify the type of visual and what are the format needed for that. Okay, and you have to set some clarity, accuracy and audience requirements. Okay, and the ideate part, what you have to do, you have to do brainstorm multiple representation formats. Okay, experiment with layout, colors and flow, because you have to do so many references. Okay, how they have transferred the informations from visual to verbal, verbal to visual, and you have to interpret all the given data, and you should know the structure, how to write the the transferring data. Okay, and experiment with the layout, colors and flow. If you are really struggling to identify, what you have to do, you have to highlight with colors. Okay, and choose the most user-friendly structure which is comfortable to you. Okay, whether just you want to analyze the paragraph for more hours, or you just want to read again and again and interpret with real-time applications, real-time experiments. Okay, that's all about your knowledge. Okay, your level of understanding. Okay, and types of visuals, there will be some images, videos, graphics, right, screenshots, presentations and memes. Okay, so these are all the visual datas. You're gonna transfer all the given datas from visual to paragraph. Okay, look at this. For example, in business, if someone asks you to do sales report, okay, maybe you would have seen in many movies when the manager or someone just want to show their progress in the business, right? They do some sales report and they just want to convey to their employees. What they'll do nice graph, right? Some people, they won't understand the graph, so your boss asked you to change the visual to verbal. Okay, so in that business thing, real world where we are applying, and also education, while your mom is teaching lessons, she can do some diagrams. For example, mind mapping, right? Mind mapping, you can do that. Yes, and next is graphs. Right, in this look at the graphs. After observing graphs, you can do that. Okay, and your guideline for transcoding, how to transcode all the informations. Okay, you have to read thoroughly, you have to observe carefully, right, and understand symbols and codes, and you have to arrange it in ideas logically, right? And after that, what you have to do, you have to transfer all the given information into paragraph. Okay, so here I have summarized everything. What is transfer of information, what's the purpose of transferring the information, how to write the informations, right, and how to follow the guidelines. Yes, And here some curiosity challenge. Why are sales report important? You can discuss with your friend. Start implementing this think pair share activity. Definitely it will help you to develop your communication skills and also writing skills. Okay, and here some assessment. Convert the given visual into paragraph. Okay, it can be bar chart, pie chart, flow chart. Okay, this is very important. Here I've shared some references for practicing your written and also how to interpret data in a clear way, right? Thank you guys. Thank you. Thanks for watching.